Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are talking about solving quadratic equations in one variable algebraically. We start before factorization trinomials. Trinomials, its mean expressions consist of three terms. Now we are talking about factorize this trinomial and application on the factorization to solve the equation of quadratic equation. What does it mean? Quadratic equation. It's mean equation on the second degree. The form of the quadratic equation: ax power 2 plus bx plus c equal 0. Ax power 2 plus bx equal 0. This form is called quadratic equation, such that a doesn't equal 0. To solve quadratic equation in one variable, number one, put the equation on the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Put the equation in the standard form of quadratic: ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. All the equation on the side and the other sides equal 0. Then factorize the left hand side. Factorize the left hand side. Number 3, use factorization to find the roots. We know if we have two numbers a, b, a times b equals 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. If the product of two numbers equals 0, one of them equals 0. If we have two numbers a times b equal 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. For example, find in R the solution set of each of the following equations. Number 1, x power 2 plus 5x plus c equals 0. This form on a standard form. The equation x power 2 plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So we factorize the expression x power 2 plus 5x plus 6. Here we want the two numbers, its product equals 6 and their sum equals 5. Its product equals 6 and their sum equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6, but 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So we factorize x power 2 plus 5x plus 6. The expression x power 2 plus x power 2 and x plus 3. So we take x power 2, x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. X power 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equal 0. X plus 2 equals 0. So we we write negative on the opposite side. So we can write x equals negative 2. And the x equal negative 3. So we can write the solution set equal negative 2 and negative 3. Number 2, x power 2 minus 5x equal 15. This form is not on the standard form. So we put the equation on the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. So we write 15 on the left hand side by negative sign. X power 2 minus 2x minus 15. And factorize the expressions x power 2 minus 2x minus 15. We want two numbers, its product equals 15 and the difference between them equal 2. 5 times 3. So factorize x minus 5 and x plus 3 equals 0. So we can write x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0, so x equals 5, and x plus 3 equals 0, so x equals negative 3. solution set equal 5 and negative 3. Here, the two roots of the equation, 5 and negative 3. What does it mean, the solution set equal 5 and negative 3? What does it mean, the two roots, 5? Here, if we substitution on the equation by x equal 5, the result equals 0. And if we substitution x equal negative 3, the answer equal 0. Number 3, x power 2 plus x equals 6. On the standard form, it will be x power 2 plus x minus 6 equals 0. Want to factorize the expression x power 2 plus x minus 6. Here we want to find the two numbers. Its product equals 6 and the difference between them 1. 3, 2. So we can write x plus 3 and x minus 2. Why here we write x plus 3? Because 3 greater than 2. And the 3 take the middle sign, or the sign on the middle sign here positive, so 3 take the positive sign. X plus 3 and x minus 2, x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0, so we can write x equal negative 3 and x equals 2. The solution set equal negative 3 and 2. Number 4, 5x power 2 plus 12x equals 44. We put the equation on the standard form. 5x power 2 plus 12x minus 44 equals 0. And factorize, so we can write 5x plus 22 and x minus 2. So we can write 5x plus 22 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. 5x equal negative 22 divided by 5, so x equal negative 22 over 5. The other expressions, x minus 2 equals 0, so we can write x equals 2. Solution set equal 2 and negative 22 over 5. X minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 5. Here we have two expressions. If we product the two brackets, it will be x power 2 minus 2x minus 3 equals 5. And put the expression on the standard form, it will be x power 2 minus 2x minus 3 minus 5 equals 0. X power 2 minus 2x negative 3 minus 5, it will be negative 8 equals 0. So we put the equation on the standard form, so we can factorize x power 2 minus 2x minus 8, it will be x minus 4 and x plus 2. X minus 4 and x plus 2, so we can write x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. We can write x equals 4 and x equal negative 2. So we can write the solution set equals 4 and negative 2. Choose the correct answer. The solution set of the equation x times x minus 2 equals 0. Here, this equation x times x minus 2 equals 0, it's a product of two expressions equals 0. So we can take each expression equals 0. X equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. X equals 0, x equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2. So we can find solution set equals 0 and 2. Number 2, the solution set of the equation 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 5 equals 0. Here 3 is a constant. So 3 can't equal 0. We can write x minus 2 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0. Excellent. So x equals the solution set 2 and negative 5. The equation x power 2 minus 4 equals 0. this form, difference between 2 square, we factorize x power 2 minus 4, it will be x plus 2 and x minus 2. So we can write x equals 2 or negative 2. Solution set equal 2 and negative 2. The solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 25 equals 0. X power 2 plus equals 0. We can't factorize x power 2 plus 25 equals 0. Or we can write x power 2 equal negative 25. Refused. X power 2 only equal positive number. X power 2 can't equal negative. So the solution set equals phi. It's mean we can't find any number satisfy the equation x power 2 plus 25 equals 0. So we can write solution set equals phi. X power 2 plus solution set phi. X minus 4 all power 2 equals 0. X minus 4 all power 2, it will be x minus 4 times x minus 4. So this one set equals 4. The equation x times x minus 3 equals 5x. This equation, we wanted to find the equation on the standard form. It will be x power 2 minus 3x minus 5x equals 0. It will be x power 2 minus 3x minus 5x equals 0. Here we can put the equation on the standard form. It will be x power 2 minus x times 3, 3x minus 5x equals 0. It will be x power 2 minus 8x equals 0. So factorize x power 2 minus 8x by take x the common factors. It will be x times x minus 8 equals 0. Here it's like number 1. X times x minus 8 equals 0. So x equals 0 and 8. Number 7. 4 over x equal x over 9. So here, if we product extreme and means, it will be x power 2 equal 4 times 9 equals 36. X power 2 equal 36. So we can take the square root of x power 2 equal x and the square root of 36 equal positive or negative 6. Solution set equal 6 and negative 6. The equation whose roots are 3 and 5 is, if we have x plus 1 equals 0, so the root equal negative 1. If we have x minus 2 equals 0, so the root equal 2. The root is the opposite sign of the number in the bracket with x. So here the root 3 and 5, so we can write the equation as the form x minus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0. X minus 3 times x minus 5 equal 0. It will be x power 2 minus 8x plus 15 equal 0. 8x, x power 2 minus 8x plus 15 equal 0. Thank you and goodbye.